I have two missions today with this cutting deck. The first one is to remove some of this guide that I put in here for the grass to follow, because it became too low. So sometimes when you back up, this one catches the grass. So I'll just cut off a piece like something like that. And then I will put grease nipples in here. And I did not clean the cutting deck on purpose, because I wanted to see where the clippings did not collect. So you see it's something up here, and at the side here. I do not want it like there or there, but I haven't really decided yet. I'll start with this part here. I reconsidered the grease nipples placement. I think they're more protected here on the back side of the cutting deck, and it's easier for me to drill and tap in here. So I'll try that. I think shorter is better. I'm almost through, so let's clean this off. The grease will keep the most of these shavings off. Skitsingen. Så. Där har vi. There was this kind of protecting hood you could put there, but I think it will fall off. I use two different grease at home. This one is for bearings that rotates fast, and I also have a thicker grease for the excavator pins, where you need a thicker and kind of a stickier grease. That was 30 pumps. Okay. It took about 50 pumps in each of these spindles to fill them with grease. And I could not put these nipples right up here because this, I mean, the deck shell was in the way. So hopefully they will still be protected by that spindle. But I mean, they can always come a branch, like when you're reversing or something. So I'll have to keep an eye on these and make sure they're not broken off. Now I'll just clean up this grass and go for a test ride. I have been cutting a lot of grass, and also I've also been driving in the pasture. So yeah, we'll see. There's grease up here, I see. Oh yeah. Yes. Haha. Och. Titta. Yes. I have been using the lawnmower for a couple of times now, and I can see grease coming up here around the spindles. And yeah, there's a little bit of grease there. I haven't seen any grease on the belt itself. So I think maybe I was a little bit too liberal with the use of grease. Maybe 149 pumps would have been better, but yeah, I think this will be better over time. Otherwise, I haven't seen any real disadvantage, and the belt is not slipping or anything. It's just that I see this grease residue here. So if you're thinking about this project, it took about 30 minutes and I really do recommend it. Now here I have taken apart a spindle, and I had a little bit of an issue with grass in there, but let's have a look and see how it looks like inside this bearing, because some people, they believe you have to remove the inner gasket for the bearing, but as you can see here, there's plenty of grease inside this bearing. And if you don't believe this work, I've seen proof on an American YouTube video, so I'll add a link here, and if you want to see, he uses colored grease. If you really want to see that, yes, it will get past here, check it out. Thanks for watching, bye.